This is a gravel path, is it?
Gravel path.
This is a Welsh gravel path, obviously.
Very well.
Who lives in a house like this?
Chris does.
Cheeky. I'd live in a flat.
Well, I could knock the roof off, it'll certainly be flat after that.
Oh, bloody hell, no.
There's a dump in there,
Yeah, it smells like someone's had a dump in there.
as well as Luke.
They said turn right as sign, didn't they?
Yeah, it's a fork in the road.
We've got a footpath there.
Down to the river.
That's down there.
Yeah, waterfall in front.
So literally we're gonna go over there. Oh well, whether Luke likes it or not now is going to be in the video. Would you like to be in a video as well?
No, thank you.
You sure?
Possibly. Got to do roof things and say roof works.
I'll have to bleep them out then.
Blur me out.
Okay, I'll blur you out. Ah, so this is the fork in the road.
Fork handles.
Should we see if this house is better than the other one?
Not walking, you walking.